in this video, we are going to show you how to download your project files without using GitHub. Now, most people who are going to do this are the ones that are using the free version, which means you don't have the credits yet. You only have the free ones. And if you want to launch something, this is the free version, right? If you want to publish or launch, you can't, right? You need to be pro or standard to do so. So how do you get around this? How do you get your code or download your code for free? It's pretty simple. All we need to do is after you're done with your project, right? Just ask it if it can provide you the code so you can copy paste it yourself for another platform. Now, the good thing about this is if I click on my credits here, my profile, on my credits, it says 579, right? You get 10, right? This is the same amount of credits I have left even after I asked for the code, which means if you ask for the code so you can copy paste everything, right? You can copy paste everything. It does not require any credits. So it's not going to eat any more credits. So yeah, that's pretty much how you download or get your code and use it on another platform without you springboarding from Emergent. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.